Hi guys. So Binance has launched a new launch pool. This launch pool name is IO. So the farming for IO launch pool has already started. This is a 4-day long period wherein one can stake their FDUSD or BNB and they can start farming IO token. So already, if you can see in FDUSD pool, there are 139,000 plus people who have staked more than 2 billion FDUSD, and in BNB pool, there are lesser number of people, which is 114,000, but they have staked 18 million plus BNB, which would be worth many times than 18 million because a BNB token is trading somewhere around $680. So in today's video, we'll learn more about IO and what its potentials is. Recently, Binance had also launched NOT token in its launch pool, and it did really very well. So here is the project details. Let's go to the website and try to understand what they are doing. So the one liner here says project summary. In project summary, a decentralized AI computing and cloud platform. So definitely this is an infra based project and relates to AI computing and cloud. So we'll go to their website. So I had previously checked their website and I found it really very cool. Although I just scanned through the website, now along with you guys, I'll try to dive deep in and understand together with you what IO.net is. So basically the IO.net describes itself as the internet of GPUs, and they say it's finally here and get started. So it's a developed for large scale AI startups. So not sure if they call themselves as IO or IQ. I think it is IO. So here they also have a nice cloud mentioned here, and it says it's a trademarked product. So the power of global GPU resources with a single click. So they are, of course, this encaches the power of decentralization, and the cluster development is streamlined out of box, and the payments happens on Solana. So you unlock the compute in seconds, and you pay using Solana. So it is better, faster, and cheaper, and it is an on-demand GPU access. And here they have made a comparison with Azure. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it rightly. So Azure and IO.net. So here they say that the CUDA cores in Azure T4 is Azure T4 is 2560, but in IQ.net it is 10,496. So more than 4 times what is there in Azure. Then teraflops at 8.14 in Azure and 35.58 in IO.net, and memories also in Azure it is 16 GB, and at IO.net you get GPU access with 24 GB. So the pricing wise also it saves about like 52% of the overall spend. So here they have given a graph where a similar kind of offering would cost someone somewhere around $540 per month, but here it will cost $259.20 per month by using the power of decentralization, and it is 100x more GPUs than major competitors. And what they say is that if you have a GPU, you turn that into a money-making machine with IO.net. So now they are describing their features. There's a global GPU access worldwide, spread across 138 plus countries. It uses best-in-class chips. There is a processor flexibility. They provide flexible and scalable clusters with auto scaling as your user base grows. This is sustainable and yet powerful, and it is ultra secure. It follows security compliance with SOCTU, HIP, AA, or end-to-end encryption. I don't understand any of it except I think end-to-end encryption. So they have partnered already with the Solana, Aptos, the Render Network, etc. So those very big names there. And here they have given a simplified graphics of what they expect IO.net to do. So they are saying put your GPU to work and accelerate your earnings, connect, monitor, and earn on your workers. So turn your GPU into a money-making machine. So and whatever your earnings are, you can withdraw them with Solana. Withdraw your earnings within seconds with one click on Solana. So now they are talking about maxed earnings once again, and they have given a comparison that your earnings are 580% more than other competitors. So you can earn $266.40 per month uh, in comparison to $1.53 daily or $45.90 monthly from other solutions in the market. So every network basically needs a great explorer. There are 3,850 active GPUs and users from UK. It's a global infra. There is a supply reputation score. So this looks like a very interesting project into the infra space. Let's check their socials as well. So I'll go on their Twitter. So their X account says that it is AI compute as a currency powered by IO Internet of GPUs, and it is built on Solana. This is another narrative which makes it very interesting. And since it is built on Solana, it makes me very bullish on it, because Solana is the chain for the cycle and it is going to be very, very successful. So just checking their Twitter, Drift Protocol is also talking about them. What if Drift listed IO? So Drift Protocol is basically a decentralized perps platform on Solana, and it became really very popular. Recently, it got listed on KuCoin as well, and the token did really very well. So they are also teasing their community, saying that what if Drift listed IO? So of course, since Binance is launching them on Launchpool, it will be listed on Binance, and it will be listed on June 11. So today is June 9 as we record, and it will get listed on Binance on June 11. So I think this is one really very interesting project. The Twitter looks awesome. Their tweets have a very good reach of, say, more than 36,000 for this particular one, and more than 311 likes. So, and since Binance is there to back them up in terms of listing them on the exchange, I think many other exchanges will follow the suit, just like KuCoin, Bybit, etc., who actually listed a NOT token as well, and it did really well. So let's go back. So in case if you guys are very interested, so in case if you guys are interested to join, I think you should follow this Launchpool tutorial, which is available here. It's a 2 minutes video. It will give you all the information on how to join this Launchpool and earn free tokens by just staking your FDUSD or your BNB token. So I'm getting interested in reading this IO research report as well. I'll not read much into it. Let's just open and see what this IO.net research report from Binance is talking about. So it says it's a decentralized AI computing and cloud platform. By aggregating GPUs from underutilized resources, IONet creates a network that allows machine learning startups to access a nearly unlimited computing power at a fraction of the cost of traditional cloud. So this of course is a very, very nice proposition, and I can't think of many projects who are doing the same thing in crypto. So IO is the native utility token of IO.net. What it will be used in, it will be used as a payment currency and transaction fees within IO.net ecosystem. So if you want to purchase or supply underutilized GPU computing power, or you want to deploy GPU clusters, you will need this currency. It will also be used for staking purpose. So users can participate in network security and earn share of idle GPU rewards by either delegating their IO tokens to a node of their choice or directly staking IO tokens to operate their own node. It'll also be used as a governance token. So the token holders it enables the holders to participate in grants, IO grants DAO, by proposing, voting, and implementing grant proposals. And they can guide how the allocation of funds will be done. So IO ecosystem today is comprised of following core elements. There is IO.net, that this is the development company which maintains the IOG network and builds products and services on top of network. So these products and services are OCloud, IO Worker, OID. So OCloud is a cloud platform to virtualize infinitely scalable and configurable clusters on demand using compute capacity in the IOG network. And what is IO worker? IO worker basically provides user with a comprehensive and user-friendly interface for managing their GPU node operations. So effectively through an intuitive web app. So basically IO worker is the web app which gives you an interface to use your GPU node operations. And OID, it's a universal identity management for the IO ecosystem. Then there is a IOG network and IOG framework. So IO.net has raised 40 million USD from 2 rounds of private sales, and the last round of sale valued it at 1 billion USD valuation. So this represents 36.24 of the Genesis token supply and 22.65% of the maximum token supply. As of at June 6th, the fixed maximum supply is 800 million token, and Genesis supply at so the circulating supply upon listing will be 95 million tokens, which will be 19% of the Genesis tokens. So here are the other details. The token type is a SPL token, so it's a token on Solana. Genesis token supply was 500 million. Max token supply can be 800 million. Binance Launchpool allocation is 20 million token, or 4% of the Genesis supply. So the initial circulating supply will be 95 million, of which 20 million is coming from the Binance Launchpool. And you can read more about project's mission, technical infra, etc. on this page. So all these details are available here. They have also talked about their completed milestones. You can read more about them here. They have also talked about commercial and business development progress. I think they are working together with a lot of projects: Aether, Exhibits, Hivon, Rory, and on demand side, Kriya, Nibiru, Ritual, Space and Time, etc. These all are big projects. So I hope you learned something about the project and how good this project is, and probably this video was of some help. Thank you.